Welcome to 882 Taplin Drive, a 3+1 bedroom home that is the embodiment of cottage living in the city and which is nestled on a prestigious cul-de-sac within Pickering's sought-after Dunbarton neighbourhood. Surrounded by majestic trees, extensively landscaped and lovingly maintained, this premium-sized property and its home are a showpiece of pride of ownership. Upon entry, and directly across from each other, are the elegant entertaining spaces of the living and dining rooms, both finished with hardwood flooring and decorative crown moldings. The living room has the added warmth of a wood-burning fireplace with a custom oak mantle, a tiled hearth, and a stone-tiled accent surround. Both rooms have large south-facing windows, the dining room's bay window having a deep ledge, and the dining area is also brightened by a timeless light fixture accented with a ceiling medallion. Richly hued wood cabinetry, granite counters in a deep earthen shade, and under-cabinet lighting accentuating a mosaic glass backsplash with metallic striations are showcased in the stunning working space of the kitchen. Brightened with pot lighting and a metal leaf chandelier, and also having the elegant finishing touch of crown moldings, completing the kitchen is the modern sleekness of a stainless steel double sink, dishwasher, oven, and fridge with bottom-mount freezer. Offering gorgeous outdoor views and an abundance of natural lighting is the sunroom. This exceptional family and entertaining space has 2 walls of windows, a vaulted ceiling with 2 skylights and a fan, and when there's a chill in the air, the added warmth of a fireplace with a custom wood mantle and shelf. The sunroom's walkout opens to the impressive backyard, where a huge stone patio brings dining and entertaining to the outdoors. And from here is a flagstone walkway that beckons you into an oasis of sun, shade, water, and greenery that will make staycations the only vacation needed. A small pond with a waterfall is the relaxing background music for a wood deck covered by a gazebo. Perennials flourish throughout the yard. The natural landscape can be enjoyed from multiple seating areas. And there is another waterfall feature that gently cascades into a koi pond. The backyard also has the added utility space of a greenhouse, as well as a detached garage that offers abundant storage and workshop space, with a double gate at the end of the driveway providing easier access for vehicles and maintenance equipment. The main level additionally features a 4-piece washroom, beautifully appointed with tiled finishes, pot lighting, a bath area with jetted tub and stained glass sliding shower doors, as well as a vanity with undermount basin. Has a mirror door coat closet, and a very spacious bedroom with a French door entry, laminate flooring, crown moldings, a ceiling fan, and ample closet storage. To the upper level is a carpeted staircase that has a skylight above it, and at the upper landing is a storage closet with a mirrored door. Like most 1.5-story homes, the upper level features 2 charming bedrooms, with these bedrooms being carpeted, having accent windows with display ledges, as well as vaulted ceilings with 2 skylights, while the first of these bedrooms also features 2 built-in wall shelves. The lower level has a separate entrance from the backyard, with this level featuring a combined furnace, storage and laundry room with front-load washer and dryer, another beautifully appointed washroom, this one showcasing a glass shower with stone-tiled walls and floor, as well as a vanity with stone counter and glass vessel basin, a cold room, a very spacious bedroom with an oversized basement window and laminate flooring. And laminate flooring also finishes the recreation area, which is brightened with pot lighting and has the added warmth of a wood-burning fireplace with a wall-to-wall stone hearth and floor-to-ceiling stone mantle. Steps to the Dunbarton Creek Ravine, and within the catchment area of Maple Ridge Public, St. Monica Catholic Elementary, Dunbarton High, and St. Mary Catholic Secondary Schools, which offer French immersion programs, as well as highly rated William Dunbar Public School. This home is also just a short drive to the Pickering Town Centre Mall, the GO Station, and has easy access to Highway 401, as well as being close to the shopping, entertainment, and waterfront enjoyment of Pickering's beautiful Frenchman's Bay community along Lake Ontario. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 647-523-8201.